Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today is July 3rd, Wednesday. As usual, I think we can start with Bitcoin on daily. Morning, Bukur. Morning, Andrei. Good morning, Hania. Nice to see you. Well, we are on a daily chart. Bitcoin looks kind of weak. I don't know. You can see what I see on the chart. Yeah, we had a dead cat bounce here. We confirmed the W here. Okay, nice. Long reload zone, but like I said, we didn't had bullish divergence. Yeah. I don't know. Only you, maybe you opened the 2 times from Discord and from YouTube. That's why you can hear me twice, Bukur. So close one of them. Here, because we didn't had bullish divergence and only indicator confirmation, I didn't trust this setup here. Yeah? Now, if you are thinking that that setup is still valid, we can think like that. Well, we have the double in the long reload zone. This could be just a retest. Who wants to take this W and thinks has a good risk to reward? The setup is there. Maybe you want to take the candle body lows. Maybe you want to take this level for a trade. But if you take the trade here, let's see if you have a 2-to-1, at least in the short reload zone. Yeah? Let's put a long position. Well, let's assume that we'll take this entry. This is the low. Well, where we have a 2-to-1? 2-to-1. Well, not bad. Not bad. Not the best setup, but it's there. Yeah? I'll take this setup? No, because I already have one. But classic, okay? Long reload zone, W, breakout and retest. Yeah, indeed, if we look left, yeah, looks kind of weak here. But that doesn't mean it's not a valid setup. So, it's up to you if you are still thinking range, and we should think range. I have a long, so I don't have to do anything about that. Like I said, I didn't like this setup because we didn't have bullish divergence and only indicator confirmation. So that's kind of a weakness sign for me. Overall, at the bottom of the range, back in the long reload zone, let's see what will happen here. If Bitcoin will accept below 60k and will close the daily below, well, you can see high, low, lower high, lower low. Kind of an ugly downtrend here. We tested multiple times 60k. Well, we don't know when will if this time will hold. We should assume that this time will hold because it's more profitable to play the range game. But that doesn't guarantee us that that will happen. Morning, Stefan. Morning, Rocco. Morning, everyone. Okay. So that's daily on Bitcoin. I don't see anything special. We are just ranging here at the bottom of the big range. Now, total looks similar. You can see similar price action. Total to similar price action, slightly stronger. Yeah, slightly stronger than total and Bitcoin, but that could give us a hope for I don't know, keeping the 1 trillion level and maybe even push higher. If Bitcoin will hold 60k, this one will go and test at least the short reload zone here. It's summertime, probably that will happen, but we need Bitcoin to stabilize a little bit. Now let's go on a 4-hour chart. I think it's better for us. Well, you can see here we have a long. I don't have to do anything because I have the long from here. So if the market will, this is a valid W and market will push higher, well, I'm in a trade. My stop loss is at the week low, a lot lower than 60k. I'm okay. Sorry. So I don't have to do anything about this one. I don't see a new setup. Well, we kind of had here something. If you remember, I said I don't trust 38.2. It's not a good area to take a trade. And you can see we test that one. Yeah, classic dead cat bounce. Yeah, where you should expect a dead cat bounce to stop. Well, usually at 38.2. And we had the retest. We tried 2 times here. We aimed out. On lower time frame, you can see here I am a breakdown, a retest, and down. Now we have some support here on 4-hour chart. I'm not expecting straight down, but we can, if we'll accept below 60, then it's a problem. Hopefully we'll bounce here, we'll form a new W and we can push higher. Ethereum, well, similar price action. You can see if we put the house level, we are just exactly at the first stop. And we are fighting at this level. Let's close the house levels. Well, not too many things we can say about Ethereum here. Yeah, still downtrend. Yeah, on day trading part, I'll show you here a long reload on something. It's trying to do something, but for the moment, on 4-hour chart, we have a downtrend here. We tried channel here. We broke that one. We can form, I don't know, a head and shoulder pattern, but no. It's just better to just leave it alone. It's ugly to short, ugly to long. Too long, I don't have allocation. Too short, it's a bit too late. And doesn't seem proper to do anything on this one. Bitcoin dominance on 4-hour chart and daily. Well, still in the range. If I'll put daily. If I'll put daily here, well, you can see. If we'll accept below this level or below the range low, okay, if we'll go in the long reload zone, that could be a really nice mini altcoin season. Let's call it that way. And I'm still expecting, keep in mind, that's my opinion, my 2 cents. I'm still expecting a nice rally on altcoins. But from what level, we don't know. So we can go 10-20% lower in the first part of July and then to pump. And from that level, we'll see a really nice pump. But that doesn't guarantee us that we'll pump from these levels. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, well, looks kind of weak. Exactly like Bitcoin, and if we'll accept below, then some altcoins, not everything, but some altcoins could pump. And you can see already that some meme coins on Solana are pumping, things like that. So you can anticipate where to focus your attention. Stefan is making nice money with scalping, or not scalping, sorry, buying, swing trading on Solana meme coins. Well, he made some nice money. He's still making money. He's posting on DGN channel. If you can follow him and you can take the same approach, why not? But it's totally up to you. We are not financial advisors. Remember that. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, nothing changed here. Still in the short reload zone, still a possible bot setup. Sorry, but nothing special. I don't see anything new here. DXY, well, above the 105 level, fighting here. It's kind of bullish, but who knows? I prefer to see DXY, as you know, in that range. Well, that's the overview. Pretty short, not too many things to say. Bitcoin, if we'll accept below 60k and we'll break the range, I think we can push lower. I have a W here. Let's see if we'll hold. It's pretty simple. But here, I don't know. If you want to short Bitcoin, you can go with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart and you can scalp it if you want. It's up to you. Now let's see the day trading part. Okay, so that was my play here. If you remember from yesterday, I took this SFU on 5-minute chart, made nice money. No? Then I played this long, 2-1, close it because I was against the trend. You can see I didn't like that, so I closed 2-1. Then I shorted again here. And everyone had the opportunity, was on lower time frame on 5-minute chart, I think. Everyone had the opportunity to take the setup with me. But everyone was bullish here. If you remember. And look what happened. Yeah? I closed 50% of the trade and I'm still trailing the rest. well, I'm okay. I don't want to close the rest of it. Maybe 61.8 will make me close another 50% from what is left. We'll see. So for the moment, I'm short and I'm okay with that. I could see here something, but again, above 61.8, just a dead cat bounce. Look here. Why didn't manage to Wyckoff check this level and is breaking down again? Well, not the best scenario. I prefer to keep that position on the short side. Now let's see on 1 hour chart. Back on 1 hour. If I'll see W's or something clear on the long reload zone, okay. Until then, I'm okay with my short. Pretty simple. Indicators, well, we had bearish divergence here. We discussed that one, yeah? You saw it here. Pretty clean. Nothing we can do now. It's too late to short. But I'll play the long if the market will reach probably below 60k, just to fake out a little bit. I don't know, 59,500. And if I'll see in this area a nice W, I could play it. But for the moment, I prefer to keep my short. Ethereum, well, on the lower part, you can see we have swing low, swing high. Yeah, stepping down, clear downtrend here. We touched 61.8 and we had a nice bounce. Yeah, but that's the first bounce from 61.8. If Bitcoin will break a bit lower, well, this one will follow. Yeah, so this one will follow and probably will stop here at 78.6, maybe even lower. If we zoom out a little bit, well, we have this Wyckoff check. Sorry, let's put 4 hour chart to see it better. Yeah, we have this Wyckoff check. Okay, nice bounce, but that's done. I think we can go lower on Ethereum. You know how they say, first dump on Bitcoin, altcoins hold. Second dump on Bitcoin, altcoins get destroyed. Well, let's hope that will not get, well, not to hope, but let's pay attention on the second dump. If the second dump on Bitcoin will come, well, we'll see if long reload zone will give us anything else. For the moment, on 1 hour chart, well, I'll pay attention on this long reload zone first. I don't have too many hopes here, but who knows. For a short, well, for a short, if we'll push here and I'll see a small EM in this area, close to the initial EM, I don't think we'll get to that level because we retested that one 2 times. And we said already, okay, we are stepping down. But who knows? Maybe. Altcoins, I think we should stay on 4 hour chart on altcoins. That's my view. IEVO, well, you can see it's holding for the moment. If Bitcoin will hold 60k, this one will pump. If Bitcoin will lose 60k and will go in the 52 area, well, I think we can test the lows at least. Alt, you don't have to say anything about this one. Look at it. Price discovery. And maybe you should want to learn about house levels. Well, look at this fight. Look at this fight here. And accepting below. Price discovery. We need a clear W. We need clear structure now to even think about trading alt. But doesn't mean this one will go to zero. No. This one, it's kind of a good coin, but needs to find the bottom. You can see lower highs, lower lows, until we'll see consolidation going sideways. I don't know. We can go a lot lower. BNB, well, BNB is staying here in this long reload zone. It's kind of stable. It's back on the stable mode. Let's just call it that way. Doge, well, sorry, but Doge is not doing anything. Not the moment for Doge. Dimension, well, we talked about this one. No? We talked about this one. Up, down, entry here, stop loss here. It's up to you if you want to take it. It's still valid. If Bitcoin will hold, this one will pump. Similar. This one we said will not touch until the merge. Joe. Okay, some W's trying to form here, but if you look at the indicators, you want to trade something that looks like this, higher high on price and lower highs on MACD and OBV? No. Needs to consolidate, needs to find the bottom. Sorry, that's the reality. Jupiter, similar. Manta, well, you can scalp it on 1 hour if you want here, but still. Indicators tell me that it's better to just wait. Matic, waiting. This one, well, I'm not expecting this level to hold, I'll be honest. I'm expecting to range here a little bit, but look at the chart. You think we'll stop here and either will consolidate a long period of time and will push higher, either will consolidate a little bit and will break down. Depending what Bitcoin will do, we'll see what will happen. Pixel, well, who wanted to trade Pixel, notice what is happening. Yeah, up, down, and stop us out. Next boss, nothing we can do. If you want to be a trader and you want to use stop losses, well, you have to be okay with taking some stop losses. It's that simple. You cannot trade without being able to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 10 stop losses in a row. Idea is 100 trades, 200 trades, 500, 1000 trades to be overall profitable. But you will take stop losses. If you don't like and you cannot accept stop losses, well, don't use stop losses. But that means you should not trade. You should only invest dollar cost averaging or little old lady style. It's that simple. You can still make a lot of money. We can teach you how to do that, but no trading for you. Solana, well, Solana is kind of strong. Everyone is believing that story with the ETF and things like that. Well, for the moment, look at the OBV. You don't like that. Look at the RSI. Lower highs. Look at the MACD. You don't like that. Yeah. All that Solana did here took the liquidity here. Fake out, 3-bar fractal top, and we can break down. It's that simple. On 4-hour chart is pretty clean. Kind of a range, fake out to the downside, now fake out to the upside. If Bitcoin will drop, this one will fall. Pretty simple. Guys, if you have a request, please type in the chat. Please put the ticker and the time frame, and I'll gladly answer you. I'll gladly take a look at your chart. One second. Oh, okay. So the last one is TON. Well, this one is pretty strong, and the entire ecosystem is strong. Huh? It's trying to break the old high from 24. Could do that. Well, depending what Bitcoin will do. Could range, but still be strong. You see Bochan and other people playing that ecosystem. I'm not saying TON is bad. TON, it's pretty strong. It's one of the strongest coins. Let's just call it that way. Okay, let's take a look at what Andre is asking. 4-hour chart? Okay. Well, what do you want me to say here? What do you want me to say here? Lower highs, lower lows, slowly bleeding, trying to make a W here. Didn't confirm the bullish divergence. I know what you are thinking here. Power of 3, but power of 3 means to break out and then to retest. So, yeah, could be something nice, but you need to see the breakout and the retest. You can play power of 3, you can play a general setup. Overall, yeah, you can get a setup, you can get a 2-to-1 until here at the top. But 4-hour chart, and I think daily, not ready yet. So look at this one. Yeah, price discovery to the downside. And could go, I don't know, 3 times lower. They started trading here on Binance. And you don't see for the moment, you don't see a W. You are just bleeding to the downside. I don't know. I don't know what the tokenomics are exactly, the unlock. I don't know anything about this one. But if I'll see a daily W, then I could think about something. For the moment, nah, not the case. 4-hour chart, okay, you have a W there, but you are against everything here. No? You have a potential bullish divergence on RSI. You have a potential bullish divergence on MACD. You have nothing on OBV. And maybe power of 3, but power of 3 means we'll accept above and then back down, and that's your entry, not now. Okay. Another one? No? Well, let's look at the news today. So today, Wednesday, you can see PMI in the New York session. Will be live streaming then for premium. And at the end of the session, close to the end of the New York session, we'll have FOMC minutes. So, again, big and ugly news. That's not the best for scalpers. But until then, we can trade. We can trade, we can scalp, we can make some money, we can lose some money also. But in the New York session, probably the better thing to do is to wait. We can trade after the PMI and then close the trades before FOMC minutes. We don't want to be in the market then. And also we have Friday, we'll have news, big news again. Yeah. So 2 days from now, we have unemployment and NFP. Well, was a pretty full week of news and big news. But at least, guys, we have some volatility. At least it's not so fucking boring like last 2 weeks. At least they are moving. They are doing something. Okay, that's the calendar. Here I had a potential trade similar like your idea, Andrei, but this is on daily chart and we already have the breakout and the retest. You can see it. I'm playing this one. Yeah. Okay, we are below 78.6. I have a W, I have the breakout, and I have the retest. No, it's there. Still playable if you want to do something. W's in RSI. Not the best scenario, but it's the best one I could find, to be honest. And nothing else here. Well, last chance challenge here. We can see we have 41%. Well, slowly we'll get even more. Really nice on this one. I'm still thinking this one will outperform all investment plans. Well, I'm still thinking is the best one. 41% until now. This plan will be done accumulating, I think, in October. Something like that. Let's see. We'll adapt if it will be the case. But the best plan I could conceive, and I'm using this one, not with $3,000 because it's too small for me, but you can use the same. You can, I don't know, multiply $3,000. The orders are kind of $10 for this plan on with $3,000, and you can see. Let me go sideways. Okay. Well, will not allow me with this one. Anyway, 41% is more than okay for this time of year. With the challenge, I have a problem. I have to think about it. How I'll adapt. What the fuck I'll do? Because I don't post all the trades I take, and win rate is ugly. Because somehow I managed to post in time only the losing trades, and the winning ones, no, they are not there. So neither one of these trades is not in that ugly journal. It's ugly because of me. It's not ugly because it's... you can see. I didn't post this one. I didn't post this one. I didn't post this one. So it's a problem. I need to adapt either to change the time frame, to go on higher time frame for that challenge, to stay above 1 hour, either to find a solution. I'm thinking about this week and probably I'll find a solution. Okay. On Twitter, not too many things to say. People are finding out, now they are finding out that dot shield a lot and they paid a lot of influencers. Well, people, what dot did, it's usual in crypto. It's mainstream, it's 99%. Yeah? Everyone is shilling, everyone is doing that. Every coin. So dot didn't do anything. The amounts, they are big. That's what was the problem. That's why everyone was picking up on dot. But everyone is doing that. Huh? If you read the white papers, you'll find out. Well, I have, even on fucking meme coins, you'll see 10-20% for promoting. What do you think that means? That means they all pay the influencer to shill you the coin. And now we have something, PayPay. I see everywhere. Even Da Vinci posted PayPay. I'm not saying it's a bad coin, but if you see too many people shilling it, well, the people that are shilling, they are selling the coin. They are selling the strength to you. And then you'll be left with a big bag of something. Yeah, let's just call it. It's YouTube, but you'll just finish with a big bag of shit, hoping that maybe in the bull market will recover at least to get you break even. So pay attention. When I'm buying something, I'm looking on their Twitter to see who is shilling. If I see too many big ones, I know that the developers, the team, give them some coins. Okay, promote us. It's usual. So, nothing new about DOT. Everyone was doing that. New people, they are surprised, the people who didn't saw the last bull market. But the old ones, they know that. That's usual for everything. Okay, I'm not a fan of football, Andrei. Honestly. And you understand why after last night. Okay. Nothing else. If you have any other questions, please type them in the chat. We still have 3-5 minutes from this live stream. If you like the content, please leave us a like. If you don't like the content, please leave us a dislike. Just give us a reaction to know if you like or you don't like the content. If you like the content, well, you can even recommend the video to other people. By the way, if you want something from our premium, Capua 1, Capua 2, VIP, we still have that promotion with 20% off on everything. So, go and start here channel on Discord, see what we're offering and imagine that we have 20% off. 4 likes missing? Well, I don't know if they are missing. Maybe some people said, well, this time Paul blabbed away without any value, so I'll not give him a like. Fair enough. I don't have a problem with that. I'm not doing the live streams for likes, guys. I'm not doing the live streams for, I don't know, for something hidden. No, I'm just doing because, anyway, I'm overviewing the market in the morning and I'm trading. So I'll do that. Either I'll do it on YouTube or not. And I'm trying to help people. And I got a lot of messages from some people telling me that, well, I'm quitting. Crypto is a scam. But in the same time, I got a lot of messages. Well, thank you, Paul. A lot of people are complaining. They are losing money. I doubled my trading portfolio or my investing portfolio in this market. And I'm a good position. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, that's the reward I want from you. So it's up to you. The serious or the consistent people will make money. Not only in crypto, on everything. You need consistency. If you are playing the influencers game, well, you'll end up buying their bags. If you are playing with us, well, we are kind of honest. I don't know. We don't have not even a referral link here. No? We accept to use referrals for us. So someone will give us, bring a friend. Well, you have 10% off for you or for him. It's up to you. If it's a good friend, you can give him the referral. But we don't accept referrals. I'm not sharing here any fucking platform. And I get daily messages. Yeah? Look at here. Yeah? Look at here. The same fucking answer. Yeah? Yeah, same thing every day. Well, I'm from that platform. I give you 10, 20, 50% from the fees. Well, but the fees are paid from my community. I don't want to make money with my community in that way. Either it's a win-win, either it's will not happen in our community. That's simple. I'm not here to make money from the community in that sense. Yeah, I'm making money from trading. Yeah, if I'll work and I'll help someone, okay, I'll accept a payment, but not the influencer's way. Well, guys, I don't see anything else. I don't see questions. Let's call it a live stream. See you on the New York session, or if you are a general member, see you on tomorrow the same live stream. Take care. Watch out the news. Don't scalp in the news. If I'll find new setups, me, Stefan, or other gladiator will post on Discord. Okay. Leave a like if you like the content. See you next time. Bye bye.